What if you add all that with 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 that? What would it rate?
Why don't you find out? Toggle over to the last one.
That one?
Yep. Go ahead, put the cursor up there.
Click.
Click, yep. And then toggle over 2 more. Oh, other way. Because I think I put it in there. Okay, what's this say? Student.
Sum.
Yep, I just wrote that in there. I was just going to ask you about that. So student sum. We got the daily sum. Oh, student sum was going to be the total of these. Okay, so this is going to be the total sum. Where should we put this? Why don't you toggle down? Sorry, let's go back somewhere. Let's just go back to column 1. Because this is like going to be what you're asking about is like the grand total.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to know the grand total? Okay, so the grand total is going to be all of the sugar counts.
Wait, how come this one's only 3, 4?
Oh, you know
34.
why? Because we didn't enter all of our data yet. We still have 2 days. Remember how we had to Google things? So like Tyler doesn't have one. His is blank here because we have to figure out what 35 grams of pretzels is.
Okay.
Okay, so we still have 2 days left to do our data. Okay, so arrow all the way back over to column 1. Good. Keep going. Go right under Grace. Go right under Monday. Go down. 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 Okay, cool. Let's put it right here. Okay, so your question is, tell me your question again.
What would the number be if you had that together?
Okay, let's do it. So we could do it on a calculator or we could do it with a function. Let's see if there's a function to add it all together. What's the name of the function to add it all together? Go on up to the function.
The one that looks like an E?
Yeah, the one that looks like an E. If you want to add it together, what do you use? Which word? You already used it to add the day together.
Did?
Yep, what's that called?
Sum.
Yep, click it. Okay, now, like before, we have to tell it which cells we want to do. So what was the first one you wanted?
I wanted to see what all that we took up.
Yep, so here's our first one. Here's the beginning of all the numbers we want to add together. So what's the column? Look up here. Don't look at the video. Look up here.
Monday?
No, it's above it. Remember? B. Yep. Okay, now what's this line?
25.
Yep, put in B25.
B25.
Okay, now colon. To make it, the colon is what tells it all these. This is the beginning and then the end. Remember the shift and the 2 dots is the colon. Let's go.
Shift. 2.
Perfect. Okay, now what's our last number for Friday, the last day we did it, Friday the 8th? See it down there at the end? Okay, what column is that? I'm sorry, let's get through this and then you can take a break.
Right there?
Yep, the column is here. It's the letter, like B, but it's not B, it's what?
L.
L. And then we already know this one, 25. So type in L25. L's next to the K.
L.
Yeah.
20.
Uh-oh. 5.
5.
Good. Woo. Okay, now it highlighted all the things it's going to add together. That's what you want to know, right? All 10 days? Okay, hit enter. So, what's this tell us? I know it's going to be hard to say that number, isn't it?
1489.
Yes, 1,489. And what is that number? Can you describe it? What's that the total of?
1,000,000.
No, I'm in words, not in numbers. It's the total number of
Total number of all the sugars
all the sugars that Mrs. Arnold's class
has been having for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yeah, 10 days. Good job. Do you want to do the average?
No.
Not right now. You want to take a break?
Yeah.
Great job, kiddo.